Hey there, I'm so glad you're here. Welcome to the Cascade floor plan. This is one of my favorites. It's also really, really popular. I want to give you a tour today so you can look at all of the details. One of the things I love about this floor plan is it is really flexible. Let's check it out. One of the things I love about this floor plan, we're standing in the entryway, obviously, but look how tall that ceiling is. It's just an absolutely beautiful entryway into the home. Over here we've got an office, bedroom, den. It's got a great location at the front of the house. You can use it for all kinds of cool stuff. Let's check out the rest of the house. Second bedroom here. Obviously you can use it as a nursery. Isn't that just the cutest thing ever? But great location at the front of the house as well. One of the things I love about this home is almost everything you see is going to be standard. I love this bathroom, and if you check out the shower, that is standard finish. Okay, how about this great room? Isn't this so fabulous? One of the things I want to point out is if you look at this area, you saw the ADU from the tour of the exterior of the home. So the ADU is located right on the other side of that wall. It's included in the square footage. So this home is just over 3,000 square feet, including the ADU, accessory dwelling unit, a rental. You can use it as a short-term or a long-term rental. It can also be extra square footage for the home. So if you wanted to use that as an extra bedroom, bathroom, this area would just be opened up and it would just be an extension of the home. You could have a door there if you wanted to close it off. Again, I love this floor plan because it is so flexible. Okay, now check out this kitchen. Again, a lot of the stuff in this home are standard features. Do you love this beam? I love that beam. Standard cabinets. All of the cabinets are going to go clear to the ceiling. I think that is just such an amazing option. So when you are picking out your floor plan, your finishes, any kind of tweaks or customizations that you want to do, there's just so many options for countertops and flooring and cabinets, and it's really a fun process. I'm going to show you the primary bedroom, but check out these details because I think they're super cool. So you come in out of the garage into like a mudroom area. You can have this customized however you would like. I love that you can just put your shoes and your coats and your bags and everything right here. You've also got the laundry right off of the mudroom. The other thing I wanted to show you is look how fun this pantry is. Is that just one of the best pantries you've ever seen in your life? So one of the things I love about this floor plan is the primary bedroom is really tucked away. It's very private. If you do have an ADU or if that extra square footage is just part of your square footage, it's going to be completely on the opposite side of the house. It's great. Let's check it out. Really nice size primary bedroom when you consider the square footage. So king size bed, plenty of space for 2 nightstands, a dresser. Is really a great space. And I just love all this natural light. Do you love these windows? And you have to love this primary bath. So dual vanity, gigantic shower. If you wanted a tub instead of a shower, you can do that. If you just want this beautiful giant shower, you can have that too. Commode, of course, and then this really nice extra large walk-in closet. Let's check out the upstairs. It's one of my favorites. This is an amazingly customizable flex space up here. In this floor plan, these owners have chosen to do a bedroom and a bathroom, and then have a great big family room, game room, really whatever you want up here. It's just an amazing space. This is one of my favorites. This window could actually become a slider or a French door, and you could walk out onto a second-story deck and have the view of your life. It is absolutely beautiful up here. So let me know if you would like more information on the Cascade floor plan or any of our other fantastic floor plans at the trails at Shurtz Canyon. I hope to see you here soon.